Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? I, O plus pen plus ear. O, pen, ear. Eye opener. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thanks, Gene. Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining us today as we wrap up another great week here on Classic Concentration. A great week, certainly, for this young man on my left, because in just 2 games, he has accumulated $16,262 in prizes. You're looking at Brad Flack. This young man's going to be married in about 2.5 weeks from now, and already he is furnishing his new home. He's got a honeymoon in Rio de Janeiro. Now, this young lady on my right just graduated from UCLA, and she'd like to win something, too. This is Stacy Studebaker. Welcome back to you, Stacy, and good luck. Here's a great fun prize. I hope you're into this as a sport.
Decors, his and her scuba gear to explore the underwater world includes specially sized aluminum tanks, adjustable regulators, sea chute buoyancy compensators, masks, and fins. Just be sure you receive proper instruction before you begin. Alex.
It is always refreshing. Thank you, Gene. It is always refreshing on our program to provide a little bit of education for our viewers. As you noticed, Marjorie was swimming underwater without her regulator in, and that's why she was having difficulty breathing. But then again, Marjorie always has difficulty breathing. Stacy and Brad, take a look over here, and we will show you where you can find the scuba gear. It is at number 4, a holiday on the island of St. Martin. Stacy, you go first, please.
I'm looking for that holiday, and I'm going to look under number 12, please, Alex.
And you're going to find a diamond necklace.
Ooh, I could handle a diamond necklace. Looking for the match under number 25.
Washer and dryer. Could you handle a washer and dryer?
Yeah.
Not
as much as a diamond necklace.
All righty, Brad.
Washer and dryer.
Yes, of course.
Number
Newlywed.
7. And number 25.
Just like that. Show them right away.
It's a little tough here.
Brad, is your fiancée with you today in the studio?
No, she's not. She's working today. She's supporting me.
I see. Good move, good move. That's why you're marrying her. Select again.
Number 13.
Massage table.
Ooh, that'd be real nice. Number 16.
Green take. Stacy.
How about number 22?
Red take.
Red take. Looking for the match under number 4.
Scuba gear. Brad.
Number 19.
Green take.
And number 22.
No, that's the red take. Stacy.
That green take, was it under number 16?
I think so.
And number 18.
Oh, did you come out of that smelling of roses? You made a boo-boo. You should have gone to the next box over. Number 19 is where the green take was, but that's all right. It worked out for you, Stacy. You've got the take, and he's got a washer and a dryer.
I'm going to save it.
I thought so.
Not yet.
I thought the way you demonstrated a distinct lack of excitement when you uncovered the washer dryer the first time meant that you weren't interested in it.
I just don't have any place to put it.
Oh, all right. Let's open these 3 doors for you.
Can't quite get it.
All right. Pick again.
Let's try number 10, please.
There's a wild card. Now you're on a roll, Faith.
Okay. Still looking for that trip. How about number 6?
6, a red take. The other red take is on the board at this number, 22.
I need that.
Got both of these. You want to use one now or save them both?
I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take the washer and dryer.
Okay, she's got takes. They're no fun. You want prizes. So put the washer and dryer on her side. Take it away from Brad. And now show Stacy these 3 panels. Pick again.
17, please, Alex.
Crystal gift certificate.
Looking for that under number 2?
No, slide projector. Brad.
Ooh. Number 8.
St. Martin
St.
Paradise.
Martin. There's the trip. Now we need to find the match. Let's go to number 12.
No, that's the diamond necklace that we showed you earlier. Stacy?
Let's look for that trip under number 20, please, Alex.
tennis server and rackets.
How about number 11?
Massage table. No match. Brad.
Let's go up to the number 1.
Crystal gift
Yeah,
certificate.
that would be very nice. Number 24.
Is that where it was? No, I don't think so. But the St. Martin Paradise is there. Stacy,
Number 8, please.
for the holiday.
And the match under number 24.
24, and no one can take it away from you. You may not win it if you don't solve the puzzle, but Brad cannot take that prize away from you. Do you want to use the... oh, he doesn't have anything. Sorry. St. Martin Paradise panels, please. Swing open for Stacy. Select again, please.
Number 1, please, Alex.
Crystal gift certificate.
And was that under number 17?
Crystal gift certificate was there, yes. 2 more doors opening for Stacy. Oh, isn't he cute?
Is it Be Still My Heart?
Is it Be Still My Heart? Well, now, Be Still My Heart pays off for Stacy. Come on to the board. Oh, and you've got some good prizes too, Stacy.
The B and the still, the M plus the I, and H plus the art. Be Still My Heart.
Still My Heart. You look very relaxed right now. Of course, it's nice winning a game, isn't it? Brad, you get your first strike only, and that means you'll be back to compete in game number 2
We'll be
in just
back
a little
in a
while. Stacy, let's hear about these prizes. Gene, tell us.
A crystal gift certificate, an all-nighter gift certificate for your choice from an elegant collection of full lead, mouth-blown, hand-cut crystal, featuring stemware, barware, and giftware, furnished by Oneida, and a washer and dryer. Whirlpool's washer features 9 cycles with water temperature and level selectors, plus automatic bleach and fabric softener dispensers. The 6-cycle dryer in gas or electric lets you select just how dry you want each load, and then automatically shuts off, furnished by Whirlpool. And a St. Martin Paradise.
Right.
We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to San Juan. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 5 nights at St. Martin's TV Little Bay Beach Resort, set upon a spectacular palm-fringed sugar sand beach where barefoot elegance becomes a way of life. Furnished by DV Little Bay. And Stacy, you have a prize package totaling $4,975.
Well, now that sounds pretty good, Stacy. Congratulations. You'll get a chance to win a brand new car also after this.
Now, The Price is Right is on buzzer.
You saw one of our champions win a car in 29 seconds. First time out. 15 numbered squares go up there for you, and the clock with 35 base seconds. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
No.
7, 8,
No.
10, 11,
No.
13, 14,
No.
5, 13,
Yes.
15, 12,
No.
8, 11,
No.
14, 6,
No.
15, 6,
Right?
3, 8,
No.
14,
You must have loved that Celica. You kept going back to it. But that's all right. You've got $4,975 in prizes and the big tie-breaking game in the match against Brad coming up after this. Well, a big game coming up. As you can see, each of our contestants has a strike, and that means whoever wins this one will stay on the program and will get to play again. The loser, however, will say goodbye. Stacy Studebaker is a recent graduate of UCLA. She's now working in advertising. And Brad Flack, who has won $16,000, is about to become a newlywed. What kind of work are you engaged in?
I'm a field salesman for a computer software company.
What kind of software?
Entertainment software, flight simulators, toys, and games. It's kind of fun.
Flight simulators, and then
Right.
you add that toys and games part.
Well, they're the flight simulators that you would go out and play on your home computers.
Ah,
Right.
practice being a pilot.
That's it. And have fun with it.
All right, good. Take a look over here. Now, you're furnishing a new home, Brad, and Stacy, this would look great in your place, too.
This gracefully traditional rattan interiors armoire in whitewash finish, stylish, elegant, and classic, handcrafted with fine natural materials from the Far East, furnished by Rattan Interiors. Alex.
And that beautiful piece of furniture can be found on our game board at number 10, the armoire. There will be just the one wild card in this game, players, but we have the 5 bonus car seconds. The cash pot is now up to $1,000, and the vacation is in Washington, D.C. And Brad, you get to go first.
Let's look up a number 13.
Dead center for a $1,000 possibility.
I could use that $1,000. Let's look up number 24.
His and her sportswear, no match. Stacey?
Looking for the match for that cash pot under number 21.
Diamond ring.
I could use a diamond ring. How about number 6, please?
5 bonus seconds. No match, Brad.
I could use bonus seconds. Number 15.
Washington, D.C.
I would love to go back to Washington, D.C. Number 18.
CD player. Stacey?
How about number 23 at the bottom, please, Alex? Green take. Number 2 for the take?
No. 15 favorite compact discs. Brad?
We're opening up a lot of doors. Let's look
Yes.
up number 12.
Armoire?
And number 5.
No, that's a red take. Stacey?
I believe the armoire was under number 10
Yes.
and number 12.
Brad was in the right area. He missed it by 1 box. But sometimes that can be a costly error. At this stage of the game, however, I don't think it will be. We'll open these 2 panels for Stacey. Pick again.
Let's take a look under number 7.
Diamond ring.
Diamond ring. Was that under number 21?
Diamond ring was under number 21. She said she wanted one. Let's see what happens now as these 2 panels swing open. Pick again.
How about number 20, please?
10 speed bikes for 2.
Little exercise there. Right above it, number 15.
Washington, D.C. No match.
Okay.
Brad?
Let's look on the bottom corner, number 25.
Cash pot.
And number 13.
Cash pot. We're looking at a possible $1,000. That would be nice on that trip to Rio, wouldn't it?
That'd be very nice, some spending money.
Yes. Open these doors up for Brad. Select again.
Top corner, number 1.
Green
I've
take.
seen that. Number 22.
No, but it's going to work out for you. The wild card is there. That makes the other green take valuable at number 23. You're in the right area again. She has that armoire and the diamond ring.
I'd like the diamond ring. I really would. My fiance can use it.
Okay. Let's open 3 doors for Brad Flack. Select again, please.
Number 2.
15 of your favorite
And
compact
right next to
discs.
it, number 3.
No, that's the red take. Stacey.
Let's take a look under number 24, please.
His and her sportswear.
And the match under number 17.
No, there's a CD player. A player. Brad.
How about number 19?
His and her
And number
sportswear.
24?
There you go.
That's
That's another match. Swing them open. Ooh. Pick again.
Number 18.
CD player.
And number 17?
CD player. 2 in a row, naturally made. And another look at the puzzle. Go again.
Number 14.
Betting
That
ensemble.
would be nice. I don't think we've seen a number 11 yet.
10 speed bikes for 2. No match. Stacey, here's your chance.
Were those bikes under number 20?
I think so.
And number 11, please.
20 and 11 works for you. That's a good match. Good combination. Prize going up there and down here. 2 panels opening for your benefit. Pick again.
I don't think we've seen under number 4 yet.
5 bonus seconds.
Oh, geez. Was that under number 16?
No. Betting ensemble. Brad, you won a betting group earlier, didn't you?
I got the betting group. Now I need the stuff to go on it. Number 9.
Oh, compact
And
discs.
number 4.
No, that's the bonus car seconds. You got confused with the numbers there. Stacey.
How about number 8, please, Alex?
Washington, D.C.
And number 15?
Washington, D.C. We don't get confused on the trips for some reason. Let's see what happens now as these two doors open up. Pick again.
How about number 14, please?
Betting ensemble.
Betting ensemble. Was that under number 16?
Betting ensemble, yes. Well, the bottom half of the puzzle is pretty well revealed right now. Is that enough to enable Stacy to solve the whole thing? Pick again.
Number 9, please, Alex.
15 of your favorite compact discs.
Was that under number 16?
There is no 16.
I'm sorry.
6 is no. No, and you've just handed Brad this game on a platter, maybe.
Number 4.
4 for the bonus second.
Number 6.
6 for the bonus second, yes. Now, Brad, you know where some of the other elements are. You may want to go for those prizes as well. We'll open these two panels for you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Buzz, and now...
Okay. Number 2.
2 for the discs.
And number 9.
Number 9 makes it a match, yes.
All right.
That prize is coming your way, and we'll open the doors. And 3 and 5, we will show you the red take, and you have your choice of an armoire.
I want the trip. I want to go to Washington.
Again, you said.
I like
all right.
Washington.
Washington, D.C. coming Brad's way. All he has to do to win a whole slew of prizes again. And remember, he is averaging $8,000 per game. Can he solve this puzzle?
Down the road a piece.
Is it down the road a piece? Yes, it is. Well done, Brad. Let's go to the board.
First we have down, going down the escalator. The for the, down the, row and the D for road, ape and piece, a piece. Down the road a piece.
Down the road a piece. Good solution. I bet you're going to exceed 8,000 or come pretty close to it this time. Stacy, I'm sorry. It's your second strike, but you do have a lovely holiday. You've got a holiday in St. Martin. Yes, and some other prizes totaling $4,975. Congratulations to you. Good luck.
Good luck, Brad.
Take care, Stacy. Brad, let's hear about all these prizes. Gene, tell them.
15 favorite compact discs, a cash pot worth $1,000, and his and her sportswear. Catalina, scene-stealing fashions in active and daytime sportswear. Classic styles with a pizzazz and easy care fabrics. Perfect for any sport or leisure activity, furnished by Catalina, and a CD player. This Sanyo CD player with 8 times oversampling and 16 selection programmability offers skip and search, pause and repeat for complete control of your music selections, furnished by Sanyo. And the diamond ring, authentic Black Hills Gold, part of South Dakota Gold Company's jewelry collection. This 3-diamond ring in hues of rose, green, and yellow gold, crafted in the distinctive tri-color design, furnished by South Dakota Gold Company and Washington, D.C. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Washington, D.C. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 7 exciting days in Washington, D.C., close to downtown historical and cultural sites. Swimming, jogging, sauna, 4 restaurants, all available at the beautiful Sheraton Washington Hotel. And the 5 bonus car seconds. And Brad, you have prizes totaling $5,460.
We've got holidays galore. Washington, Chicago, and Rio de Janeiro, and you're going to have a lot of time on the clock in order to win a brand new car right after this. Previous trips to the winner's circle, Brad came this far from winning a brand new car. Now he's got a lot more time. 15 numbered squares, and we'll put the clock up there with 50 seconds, but you've got 5 bonus car seconds that you picked up in that game, so you're at 55. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
No.
7, 8,
No.
10, 11,
No.
10, 4,
No.
13, 14,
No.
5, 13,
Right.
3, 10,
Yes.
6, 4,
No.
9, 4,
No.
12, 1,
Right.
2, 9,
No.
6, 15,
No.
4, 11,
Right.
2, 15,
Right.
8, 14,
No.
7, 9,
Right. No.
6, 7. I'll have it next time. I will have
We'll
it.
have it next time. You are taking your time about that. $21,722 in prizes for you. I know you wanted to play in another game and win more prizes. And on the subject of prizes, Gene?
Some of today's participants may receive everything you need to make delicious Chinese meals at home, including Joyce Chan's own recipe cooking sauces and the famous Peking pan for stir-fry cooking. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Have a good weekend. We'll see you all Monday.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.